you're experiencing account sync issues in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that your CS2 game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including sync issues. Check for updates through your game launcher and install any available updates. Step 3. Verify account credentials. Double-check your account credentials to ensure you are logging in with the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the account recovery options provided by the game. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Clear the cache and data of the game application. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing sync issues. On most platforms, you can do this through the settings menu of the game or your device. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to the game's customer support. Provide them with detailed information about your issue, including any error messages you receive, to help them assist you more effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues in CS2. If problems continue, staying in touch with support can provide further assistance.